Good morning, students. Welcome back to video lecture of English literature. And today I am going to cover up the remaining part of the chapter A Gift of Chappals. So in the previous video, I have explained the first part of the chapter, and now I am going to cover up the rest part of the chapter. Okay, so students, I think you must have remembered what I have taught in the previous video. So in the previous video, we learned that a girl by the name Mridu has come to meet Ravi. Fine. So, in the backyard, they found a kitten. They adopted that kitten, and Ravi had told that it was quite difficult for him to find milk every day. Fine. And then he explained that these cats are the successors of Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. Okay, he go on adding that cats were worshipped in ancient Egypt. They found cats very useful and they started worshipping it. Fine. And then what happened next? And then he also tried to show that he had a good knowledge of history. Fine. And that we have seen that later on they heard a screeching noise coming from a room which startled the cat and frightened Mehandran. Okay, it startled the children and it also frightened Mehandran. Fine. And who was Mehandran? Mehandran was the name of the pet cat. Clear? Okay. So where was that screeching noise coming from? Screeching noise was coming from the violin played by Lali. Lali was not good at violin. So a master came to teach her every day. Right? And then what kind of a man was that master? He was an old man. He was having a gold chain on his neck and a diamond finger ring. Okay? He wears a tuft on his head. That means he was a bald man with a tuft on the head. Tuft is a bunch of grass or hair from the falling to the ears. Fine. So all these things I have explained in the previous video. Is that clear? Okay. And then we have learned that they found a beggar. Fine. The beggar was begging for alms, but Ravi's mother had asked him to go to some other house and beg. Okay. She said that it is difficult for the ladies of the house to find something for him every day. Clear? So it was here that we had completed in the previous video. So now let us begin. Okay. Fine. Then what happened? Then Ravi asked him, the beggar, to find another home for alms. But the beggar pleaded for generosity from the ladies of the house. But the beggar, he asked for the generosities of the ladies of the house. Okay, that means he go on begging that please give me something. And it was because of you, means the ladies of the house, that I survived last week. Had you not given me anything to eat, had you not given me any money, I would have died last week. Okay. And when he came to know that they are not willing to give any alms to him anymore, he yet blessed them. That means he still blessed them. Okay, because he said that it was due to the generosities of the ladies of the house that I was able to survive last week. Clear? So it was here that we had completed in the previous video. Okay, so now let's start. Yet decided to move on upon seeing the stern behavior. Okay, and after that he decided to move on after he saw the stern behavior of the ladies of the house. Okay, that means the stern behavior means that the behavior which is not going to change. Clear? He requested to allow him to sit under the tree until the burning heat of the sun to cool down. Okay, so since it was very hot, he requested those children that okay, it's fine that you are not going to give me any alms, but please help me, allow me to sit under the tree. Okay, it was a neem tree. Okay, and so he asked the children to allow him to sit under the tree until the burning heat of the sun to cool down. That means it was very hot, and he said, please let me sit here until the sun gets a bit cool. Fine. As it could hurt his already blistered feet. So what was the reason that he was pleading for it? The reason was that his feet were already blistered. Okay, because he don't want to hurt his feet, because his feet was already blistered. Now blistered, what does blistered mean? Blister is a kind of bowl. In Hindi it is called, I think, छाले. ठीक है, वो जो बैगर था, बैगर के पास में कोई चप्पल नहीं था, कोई शू नहीं था पहनने के लिए, तो वो नंगा ही चल रहा था, तो उसके पैर में छाले पड़ गए थे. Fine. So that scorching heat was really very uncomfortable to the feet. So he requested those children to let him sit under the shade of the tree. Clear? Next. Seeing his pathetic condition, the children decided to provide him slippers. Okay. Then now when the children saw that the condition of the beggar was really pathetic, it's very difficult and very annoying. So what did they decide? They decided to give him a pair of slippers. ठीक है, उन लोगों ने क्या डिसाइड किया? उन लोगों ने ये डिसाइड किया कि चलो हम इस बैगर को चप्पल्स दे देते हैं. क्लियर? ओके, नेक्स्ट. They were considerate enough to give him their own slippers, yet found them too small for him to wear. Yes. So here, what were they thinking? They were thinking that let us give our own chappals to this beggar. Okay. But afterwards, they found that the chappal would not fit the foot of the beggars. Okay. That the chappals, the slippers of the children would not fit him, because the children were small, so definitely their slippers would also be small. And since beggar was a big man, okay, he was a matured man, his feet were large, so it would not fit his feet. Clear? Then what happened? Then they thought that they should provide him a big chappals. Fine. Then they found shabby. Okay, shabby means dirty. Fine. So they found shabby looking sturdy old chappals and gave those to him. Okay. And then what did they find? They found a shabby looking means dirty looking. Sturdy. Okay. Sturdy means strong. Majboot sa. Okay. So they found shabby looking sturdy old chappals and gave those to him. So what did they do? They pick up that sturdy chappal, okay, and they gave it to the beggar. Fine. He was obliged and moved on. Okay, he was obliged, he was very happy, and he moved. Okay, he went away from there. Okay. Actually, those were slippers of the music master. Yes. So whose were those chappals? Those slippers were the slippers of that music master. Remember in the first video when the lesson had just started, when that girl, she entered, okay, when she was about to enter the gate, okay, and she opened her own slipper. At that time, she saw a pair of slipper, very dirty but very sturdy. Okay, so that slipper was whose slipper? It was of the music master. Okay, and so the children, they gave these slippers to the beggar. Fine? Okay. And then at that very moment, the beggar, he put on the slippers and he went away as fast as he could. वो फटाफट वहाँ से निकल गया. क्यों निकल गया वहाँ से? Because the children told them that this is not their own slipper. ये चप्पल जो हम आपको दे रहे हैं, ये हमारी चप्पल नहीं है, ये किसी और की चप्पल है. Fine? So that the children told him to go away as fast as he could. Because if anyone find out, or if the music teacher find out that his chappal had been given to the beggar, he might ask back. Okay, he might take it back from the beggar. So this was the reason why beggar was in a hurry to leave the place as soon as the children gave the slippers to him. Is it fine? Okay, next. To their surprise, when music master came out, he searched for his slippers. Okay, and then music master's coaching was over. So what did he do? He have to come out now. So he came out. When he came out, to his dismay, he didn't find any slippers out there. He searched for it everywhere. He searched all around the veranda. He searched behind the veranda. He searched even in the bushes. But he did not find any slippers. Okay. Then he called Lali to help him in finding his chappals. Then after that he called Lali. Okay. He said, Lali, please come and help me to find the chappals for me. I don't know where are my chappals gone. Clear? Then both Lali and music master, they were looking for the chappals. Clear? They were looking for the chappals, but the chappal was nowhere to be found. Fine? 1 minute. Yes. Okay. So the chappals were nowhere to be found. So they looked here and there. They asked one another. They looked at each other that where the chappal might have lost. ठीक है, वो चप्पल कहाँ चले गए होंगे, बट किसी को पता नहीं चला कि चप्पल कहाँ गए. Is it clear to all? Okay. Then after that what happened? Lali, she went in and she called Rukumani. Okay, Rukumani was their mother. So Lali, she went in and she called Rukumani and she told her, and even to Pati, Pati means grandmother. Okay, she told to Rukumani and Pati that music teacher's slippers is nowhere to be found. मतलब हमारे मास्टर के जो चप्पल है वो कहीं नहीं मिल रहे. Fine. Rukumani and Lali were embarrassed and looked around suspiciously. So Rukumani, she came out of the kitchen. Okay, at that time she was in the kitchen. So Rukumani, she came out along with Lali. They were searching here and there, but it was nowhere to be found. And they both of them, they got embarrassed. ठीक है, उनको बहुत शर्म आई, अजीब सा फील हो रहा था उनको. Fine. And they looked around suspiciously. फिर उन लोगों ने suspiciously means किसी को शक से देखना. Okay, having a doubt on someone is called suspicious. Okay, and to look at someone with certain doubt is called suspiciously. Okay, so you tell me now, who must Rukumani be looking at suspiciously? वो किसके तरफ suspiciously देख रहे होंगे? वो उन बच्चों की तरफ देख रहे होंगे जो वेरांडा, जो बगान में खेल रहे थे. Okay, that means those 3 children. Clear? Okay. So now you tell me, ऐसा क्या रीज़न होगा कि वो suspiciously देख रही थी? वो शक से क्यों देख रही थी? Because there were no other people other than those 3 children. ठीक है, उन 3 बच्चों के अलावा और कोई था ही नहीं वहाँ पे. इसीलिए रुकुमनी को उन बच्चों पे ही शक किया. Fine? So the mother inquired from the children if anyone has seen around the veranda. Okay. So what did mother do? The mother inquired. Inquired means पूछताछ करना. Fine? So the mother inquired from the children if anyone was seen around the veranda. फिर मम्मी ने क्या पूछा? मम्मी ने बच्चों से ये पूछा कि तुम लोगों ने किसी को वेरांडा में आसपास में किसी को देखा था क्या? Okay, have you seen anyone lurking around the veranda? यही आसपास में वेरांडा में क्या कोई घूम रहा था? Fine? The children replied that the beggar had came previously. So children ने क्या कहा? Children बच्चों ने ये कहा कि नहीं, हमने किसी को तो नहीं देखा, लेकिन हाँ एक beggar आया था थोड़ी पहले. Okay, the beggar had come previously. She got really angry when she learned that the slippers were given away to the beggars. Fine? And after that what happened? She inquired and then she came to know that the slipper of music master had been given to the beggar. And what was her reaction? Her reaction was really angry. She got really angry. Clear? So, she got really angry when she learned that the slippers were given away to the beggar. Clear? They confronted by the argument of exemplary sacrifice by Karma, who gave his precious belongings. Okay. And then what happened? Then definitely Rukumani, that means mother, must be angry with them. ओके कि आपने एक मास्टर का चप्पल उठा के उस बैगर को दे दिया, ऐसा क्यों किया, ये गलत है, किसी की चीज़ किसी को नहीं दे सकते हो. ओके, ऑल दिस थिंग्स शी told the children and she scolded them. Fine? Okay. Then the children, what did they do? They confronted by the argument. Okay. फिर बच्चों ने क्या किया, उन लोगों ने अपने बात को आगे रखे, आर्ग्यूमेंट करते हुए ये कहा कि मम्मी आप हमेशा यही बोलते हो कि हमेशा कर्म करो, अच्छा कर्म करो, ऑलवेज ट्राई टू गिव एंड ट्राई टू हेल्प द पुअर पीपल. And now you are scolding us. So we have done karma. Okay, karma means karam, अच्छा कर्म करना. Okay, so okay, now see, what do we tell to each and every children? What do we teach you young children? We always teach you that help the poor and you must give your things to them also. ठीक है, जो कुछ हो सके इन बेगर्स को देना चाहिए. फाइन. तो अब हमने चप्पल उठा के दे दिया, तो अभी आप क्यों गुस्सा हो रहे हो, हमने तो कर्म किया, हमने तो अच्छा काम किया. फाइन. ओके. देन मदर रिब्यूक देम बाय सेइंग दैट. फिर मम्मी ने उसे पलट के जवाब दिया. ठीक है, मम्मी ने जवाब ये दिया कि मदर रिब्यूक देम बाय सेइंग दैट ही गेव अवे व्हाट वाज हिज ओन. ओके, फिर मम्मी ने क्या कहा, मम्मी ने ये कहा दैट यस, गिविंग समवन thing is a good thing, but you don't have the right to give the thing of others. Is it so? Yes or no? It is true. So what is the real thing? The real thing is that we have the right to give only our thing and not of others. Fine? मान लो अगर आप लोगों का कोई इरेजर या पेन या कहीं कुछ डेस्क पे रखा हो, ठीक है, and some other student is in need of it. तो अगर उस बच्चे को एक पेंसिल की ज़रूरत है या फिर पेन की ज़रूरत है, तो क्या आप अपने दोस्त के पेन लेकर के उस बच्चे को दे सकते हो? नहीं, ये आपका हक नहीं है. आपके हक सिर्फ आपका ही सामान पे है. यू हैव द राइट ओवर योर ओन थिंग्स, नॉट ऑन अदर्स थिंग. फाइन. सो यही बात उनकी मम्मी ने समझाया. उनकी मम्मी ने ये कहा कि हाँ, आप सामान दे सकते हो, पर सिर्फ वही सामान देना है जिन पे आपका हक है. ये नहीं कि आप दूसरे का सामान उठा करके किसी और को पकड़ा दो. फाइन. गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू? सो मदर rebuked them by saying that to give away what was his own. So she said that Ravi and Ritu, so you three of you must have given your own thing, not the things of others. Clear? Okay. Then after that, what did she do? She hurriedly went inside. Hurriedly means fatafat. She hurriedly went inside to bring Golu Mama's slipper. So now who is Golu? Golu is the mama of those children. Clear? So she hurriedly went inside to bring Golu Mama's slipper. The teacher gave disapproving looks to the children. और फिर बच्चों वो जो म्यूज़िक मास्टर है, म्यूज़िक मास्टर ने क्या किया, वो चप्पल लेने के बाद में उसने बच्चों को ऐसे देखा, बहुत घूर घूर के देखा और कहा कि ये बच्चे अच्छे नहीं हैं, कितने शैतान बच्चे हैं, मुझे बहुत परेशान करते हैं. ओके, सो द टीचर गेव डिसअप्रूविंग लुक टू द चिल्ड्रन. फाइन. सो एवरीवन न्यू as that would be a temporary relief to the problem, as Golu Mama would disapprove of their acts too. Okay, so here after that, the music teacher, what did he do? He just took the chappals, okay, and he just pretended as if he is not happy. But he was really happy upon getting the slippers of Golu Mama. Fine? Because Golu's Mama's chappal were really nice, were really beautiful, were really good. Whereas music master's chappal were really very dirty, shabby and sturdy. Clear? So he just acted as if he is not happy, although he was really happy at heart after getting the chappals of Golu Mama. Is it clear? Okay. And then everyone knew that for time being we can sort it out. The problem has been sorted out. ठीक है ना, कि गोलू मामा का चप्पल म्यूजिक टीचर को दे दिया तो म्यूजिक टीचर अब खुश हो गया. ठीक है, बट ये सॉल्यूशन नहीं था. बिकॉज गोलू मामा, व्हेन ही वुड रिटर्न फ्रॉम हिज ऑफिस, he had the habit of removing his shoes and wearing on his slippers just after reaching home. ठीक है, जैसे ही वो घर पहुंचते हैं वो अपने शूज़ उतार के चप्पल पहन लेते हैं. So now Rukumani was thinking, she was actually laughing in herself that what the children has done. बच्चे के दिमाग में क्या कुछ आते हैं, बच्चे क्या कुछ कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, और ये भी सोच रही थी कि अब गोलू मामा जब आएंगे तो वो गोलू मामा को क्या जवाब देंगे. फाइन. और अगर गोलू मामा को ये पता चला कि बच्चों ने म्यूज़िक टीचर की चप्पल उठा करके दे दी तो गोलू मामा का रिएक्शन क्या होगा ये भी पता था. ठीक है, रिएक्शन क्या होगा, ऑब्वियसली वो नाराज होंगे. ओके, डेफिनेटली ही वुड बी गेटिंग एंग्री. सो दिस इज द थिंग दैट Rukumani was laughing, was actually means she was smiling upon looking the act of the children. Fine, she feel really funny that how the children really behave when some elders are not around. Clear? Okay, so here ends the chapter. Fine? Okay, now children, you tell me what lesson did you learn from this chapter? Yes? Can you tell me what lesson did you learn? Okay, let me tell. What we learned is that children are really good at hurt. They never care to think what is going to happen next. ठीक है, वो लोग इतना ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते कि बाद में क्या होने वाला है, वो सिर्फ अभी का ही सोचते हैं. The real thing is that children are really good at hurt. वो दिल के बड़े साफ होते हैं. Fine? They never think that, oh, this is beggar. Why to give him such a good slipper? उन लोगों ने ये नहीं सोचा कि म्यूज़िक मास्टर का चप्पल उठा के हम इनको क्यों दे दे, बल्कि बच्चों ने ये सोचा कि ये beggar जो है he is really facing much problem, much difficulty in walking. So better we should help him. Fine? So this shows the purity of children's heart, the purity of children's mind. They are really pure at heart. They never think of loss and gain. वो ये नहीं सोचते कि क्या लॉस है और क्या फ़ायदा है. वो ये सोचते हैं कि क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा है. Clear? Okay. So I hope you like this story. I have really liked because it shows the true character, the inner self of the children. Yes? And I know you all children are also like that. You all children are also really good at heart. Fine? Yes, but what I would like to advise you here is that you are really good at heart, but always remember that if someone else asks you to eat anything or come along with him, and if that person is a stranger, never believe him. Okay? Some people may come in disguise of a beggar. कोई रूप बदल के beggar के भेष में भी आते हैं. ठीक है, और अगर वो स्ट्रेंजर हुआ, अगर उन लोगों ने कभी तुम्हें कुछ दिया खाने के लिए या कहा कि चलो हमारे साथ चलो, कभी नहीं जाना है, कभी नहीं खाना है. Is that clear? Okay, because we must always be alert. Okay, nowadays the world is really bad, so we must always keep ourselves safe-sided. Yes? Okay, so this is just an example, just an advice, a piece of advice which I have given you. Okay, so if anything happens around something like that, just inform your parents. Fine? Okay, so I think the chapter is clear to you. Okay, thank you for watching.